Yeah, but what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Good boy. Nope. You want your sister to get a treat? Oh, I'll give her a treat. I promise. Here, I'll give her some. See? There you go. Now you eat it. Now you eat it. Such a good boy. She's coming. Guys, do you like her or you don't like her? I don't get it. Oh my God!
So my cat has this feature. I'm not sure if anybody else's has this added feature. She can be in full attack mode, but to disarm her, we just rub her nose and it puts her into a complete happiness.
So both my cats are pregnant and my cat had kittens. Well, I think they both decided they wanted to be a mom. That one hasn't had her babies yet, but that one has.
Here's my cat's reaction to random things in the house. This is the vacuum. Next is a broom. Oh, this one passed the vibe check. Here we have the hairdryer. Next, a straightener. Nice little kitty massage. And then we have a mop. I'm not sure why she reacts the way she does to these things.
Bye, Winston. Come here, dogs. You want a treat? Come here, you want a treat?
Do you mind? Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Tell me why I spent all this money on all this nice stuff for my cat: bed, litter box, carrier, toys, scratching post. I gave him everything, and he chooses a box.
So a really cool thing happened. Made this Dutch door, French door, whatever the hell it's called, for my dog so he wouldn't have to be in the crate when I leave and he could be in the spare bedroom. Well, this is the thanks I get. I come home to this. He literally ate the door.
Can I have it?
Oh my goodness!
Don't you dare! Ah! Don't! Sadie?
Okay, Tobio, would you rather play with this robotic mouse toy or this bottle cap? Steak, steak. Oh my god.
Close the door. Close. Close the door. Go close the door. Good girl, Sadie. Theo.
Hey bro, you really want to go out there? Alright. That's what I thought, pussy.
Happy birthday to you.
Give me this. Give me. Give.
You want to go for a walk?
No, biscuits.
So I heard if you give a cat an egg, it'll take care of it because it knows how fragile the egg is.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder
What is going on inside their head?
Over here, Liz.